Hi, now we need to understand two important keywords, break and continue, to control the looping activity in a much more efficient and convenient way. We may sometime need to terminate the looping activity prior to the termination condition becomes false, and for that we have this break keyword. And may sometime we need to skip the current iteration and go to the next iteration, and for that we have the continue keyword. First of all, I will talk about the break keyword, and then I will go with the continue keyword. So break can be used within any loop for while or do while, and it can also be used in switch case block. So I'll be talking about switch case block in some other tutorial. So here we will be using break statement within a loop in order to terminate the loop prior to the termination condition becomes false. So let's have this example. Here we have a simple for loop where the count variable is starting from 1 and it goes up to 100, and it is printing the value of count on each iteration, as you can see. Now I want to just improve this code. After printing the value of count, the program is going to ask the user whether the user wants to continue with the next iteration or not. If the user response is yes in either of capital or small y, then the loop is going to iterate for the next time, otherwise it's going to terminate. So that means we need a mechanism to terminate the loop prior to the condition becomes false, and for that we can use the break statement. Let me just update this. So we have this printf statement that is asking the user to input that I'm having this character variable here. Okay, so that is this printf statement within the loop is now asking the user to input whether the user wants to continue. Now it is asking to input capital Y or small y in order to continue, otherwise any other key to terminate. Now the user response is taken in the response variable by using this scanf. So after this we need to check what the user has given. If it is not equals to capital Y and not equals to small y, that means user wants to terminate, so we need to break in that case. So I'm checking here response. If this is not equals to capital Y and it is neither small y, that means user has given something else. So in that case user doesn't want to continue anymore with the iteration. So what we are doing, we are breaking the loop here. Now whenever the break statement is executed, the control immediately breaks the loop and comes out of the loop here at line number 14. I'm just printing a message here and printing the value of count as well. So this is how we can use the break statement within a loop, and you can use this within for loop or while loop or do while loop. It will work in the same way. It will break the loop immediately. I'm running the program. Here you can see that it's printing the value of count as 1, and it is asking to input capital Y or small y to continue. I'm just giving capital Y, and it's going to the next iteration. It has printed 2. I'm giving again small y, so it's 3. Now I'm giving n to terminate. So you can see that it is terminated at count equals to 3. That's how the break keyword works.